Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm back with another Meta Mode video, and today I'm gonna just do some like I have saved up some packs, but I wasn't able to save up a lot because I just got some coins. As you can see right there, I just got some coins, and I don't feel like buying anything because I'm saving them up for the 4th of July promos. So all these packs I just saved up. So if this video is too short, I'm gonna do some gameplay. So let's get right to it. We're gonna save the fan favorite packs last. We'll open the gold packs, see what we can get out of it. Next gold pack. It'd be cool if I get it'll be cool if I could get a gold player. If I could get enough of them though. Or whatchamacallit, the box, that mystery box that you get the fan favorite packs out of. So that's what the first mystery box was. It was really sad because I thought it would be a player or something, not packs. If it was gonna be packs, at least let it be something good. Come on. Oh my god, this pack sucks. Probably coins. How many do I have more left? Oh my god. We getting freaking crap out of these gold eggs. Oh, there we go. Finally a gold flare. So I can sell that for 10k. I can sell that for 10k. If I could get another one, that would be good. Stupid bronze. Evergreen. Chocolate bunny. Oh my god, this is bullcrap. Gold player, please. Oh my god. If they're going to do coins, at least have it 1,000 and above where you could get good coins. This is just stupid. This is really stupid right now. Finally, another gold player. So far I just made 20k profit right now. Need 20k profit so far. I just need, there we go, 30k profit. So we got 30k profit. If we put another one, that's 40k. 40k profit. Can we do 50k? Oh crap. Can we do 50k? Come on, 50k. No! Come on, give me another gold player. Cause they going for 10k now. And I need it now. Come on, how many? 1, 2, 3. 8 packs left. I have to open this one up. 7. 50k profit? Oh crap. No, don't want to open that. Go that pack. There we go. 50k profit. I'll take it. I'll take that 50k. 60k profit. I'll take that. If we can make 100k profit in these last few. Oh, come on. Oh, I don't think. No, we ain't gonna be able to get. We ain't gonna be able to do it. But we made 50 or 60k profit. I forgot what was the last one I said. Pretty sure it was 50k profit. I'm not sure. Either that 60 or 70k profit. I'm gonna look back in the video to see. I'm hoping that 70k profit. Let's go to fan favorite packs. I saw a lot of YouTubers open this from the mystery box, and some of them pull some good. So I can use this because I pulled Adrian Peterson. If I sell these gold players, Wow, Tim Hightower. Not good. Oh, I didn't know there's a lot of things. That was a lot in this pack. Another fan favorite. Boom. If I can pull Elite, I'll be happy. Even though it don't go for much, but that'll add to the 60, 70k profit that I have. Okay. Last one before the podium packs. Boom, 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 boom. Terrence Williams. Good player, but he's a gold card, and I don't like that. 84 punter. Hold up. Wait. How much did that go for? Hold up. And a Jimmy Graham. What the? Wait, what? Wait, we just pulled a punter. We put Ryan Allen. Ryan Allen. And a freaking Jimmy Graham. Wow. I'll go to those podium packs. Let me see something. So we made 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, 70k profit. And I'm about to see how much does Ryan Allen go for. That's 70k profit. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. 78k profit. Plus the Ryan Allen. There we go. So you're going around 9k. 10k? Probably. So 10k, so I'm gonna put them. So 10k. So that's 10k, 30k, 20k, 30k, 40k, 50k, 60k, 70k, 80k. That's 80k right there. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. 88k profit out of that whole thing. Actually, I could do one more thing. I like that we pulled a Jimmy Graham though. That's the thing. But I want to upgrade this Patrick Peterson. But I want to try to get that Cam Newton. I want to try to get Cam Newton. I'm gonna try to get that Cam Newton. Come on, please give me the Cam Newton. No, not Fletcher Cox. Hold up. Jimmy Graham won't be worth it, so I'm gonna trade Jimmy Graham in. I know y'all might say that I'm stupid for that, but it's worth it. All I want to do is pull that Cam Newton. That's all I really want to pull right now. Earl Thomas! Yes! I'll take that. I'll take it. And a Patrick Peterson. Okay. So, Got some good pulls right there. So I'm trading in this pack Adrian Peterson for 4, I think it is. Yeah. Please. That's all I'm asking for. Somebody good. I'm gonna cover it up, hoping it's Cam Newton. Yes! Yes, Cam Newton. I'll freaking take that. So far we got Wilkerson, Charlie, DeMarco Murray, Patrick Peterson, Rashad Jones, Cam Newton, Fletcher Cox, Earl Thomas. Dang. Can't believe that actually happened. I didn't know it was possible. Look at that sexiness. Okay. So back to what I was saying I was going to do. Is get one more Easter egg. That's all I'm going to do is get one more Easter egg. Hoping I can pull something good. Come on. Coins probably. Stupid. Damn. Shame that I don't have that. I would have elite. So I made some coins out of that. Okay, let's go open these packs over here. Podium packs. In the first pack, some people had just got Richard Sherman or that punter. Crap, I opened these packs. Some people got the punter or Richard Sherman. So I don't know if I pull anything good in there. Probably not. So there we go. Cool. I'm just waiting to see if I can get a double podium, elite podium. That's all I'm really asking for. Bam. Double. Okay. Let's go sets. NFL draft. I think I'd rather do draft night wild card. Getting a chance of getting number 1 pick, or I could get that Richard Sherman. Not sure yet. But I'm gonna trade this. So I'm actually getting 3. So after this video, I'm gonna see how much those Easter players go for. Last time I checked, it was like 10K. I'm trading this Rashad Jones for his place. And these are who all might be going on my team too. So thank you guys so much for watching right now. And I'm waiting till there's combine stuff throughout the week. So not combine, I mean trainer stuff like that. So thanks for watching and peace.